Hey, welcome to Monster Review. Today we're going to look at this gaming table that was sent to us. Pretty much the manual was needs a lot of work. It was easy to build, took 15-20 minutes. It's pretty sturdy. You can hear it. It's made of wood and metal. So the top part is wood, and it should hold a significant amount of weight. And currently we're using it as just a table because we have 3 computers and we're not currently going to buy a 4th one yet. And so we're just using it as a table to hold some, devices and stuff. But we're just going to jump into the how to build and then the review of the table. Okay, I'm going to be building the gaming table. So the instructions are extremely poorly written, if you want to even call it written, since it just shows pictures. There's no indication of what screws to use, where to put anything. It just shows it already assembled. So that's a factor that I just want to state. So pretty much we just have to go through the pictures and try to figure out how they assemble. Okay, so pretty much I did most of it. The assembly, I'm just doing the last few bits. I was fumbling, bumbling, so I didn't want to record the whole thing. Or actually I did. And so pretty much you put the screws here and here, and they go in. You'll see the little indications there. On the top, same thing. And you'll notice that this is for the front side. So you're going to want to have it like this part, the right. And this right here will be going in. You remember it's going at this angle. This one, it goes at this angle. This is to the inside, and this is to the inside, and this is to the front. And so we're just going to build the bottom piece, which I believe is this one. I guess it goes like this. You'll notice that there's a hole right there, and a hole right there, and a hole right there. There's 3 holes, each one going in this way. And so I'm just gonna lay down so I can do this easier. And so we're gonna use the 3 little ones. So we got 3 for these, 3 for that side, and see, we got 2 for the top. Okay, so I'll use my hex. Now this one might be better because it's so small, but I guess not. Okay. Tighten this. All right, then do this. Notice it's right here, on the other side. All right. And then we just got to build it to the other one. Make sure it's tight. I don't want this stuff falling apart. All right, now I have to level this, put this one in, and it goes this way. So again, put one right here. So you guys can see that. Oop. Go ahead in. There he goes. Okay. Get the little small hex. It's a lot better for these. And so I'm just doing the same thing as I did with the other side right here. I'm putting it on the side. Just finger tying in right now, and then I'll use the hex. Sorry if I'm sniffly. I have bad allergies. Alright, I think I've tied enough. Alright, so now we're just going to do this side, this last piece, and then we can do the table. Let's move this a little so you can see. This is for the table. Just 4 little screws. So luckily we have all the screws. So put this over here. And this one over here. All right. So make sure we can fit it. Yep. You can see I'm hand tying in right here for a little bit. I'm going to hand tie in this one. And then I'm going to hand tie in this side a little bit. Since I'm building this by myself. I have to use the hex a little. All right. See if we can get this tight. All right. I think I did it. All right, now I'm going to start tightening these. See if we can actually, see that wasn't tight, so. Okay, I'm going to have to just tighten these first and then worry about those. Okay. That's pretty tight. Now let's do these. As long as I can get one tight, that should be good. Yep, it's in there, so. Good. Now I just need to do this one. And then make sure all of them are tight, snug. I'm no expert building furniture, so I'm sure there's better ways to do what I just did. Okay. Get this one. Try not to strip it. Sure these are tight. All right, so now we're gonna put the desk on top. So let's move everything. Okay, so let's see. So let's see, that's the front, the side back. Okay, so we're gonna have to flip this. So I'm gonna move this over here. And this needs to be flipped. Because from the picture, it shows that this side actually goes backwards. Like that. Okay, and then this is the front. So which is the side. Okay, so now we have that like that. And we'll be looking at the desk more once it's finally complete. Okay, there was a little bit of damage right here from the shipping, so that's okay. Okay, so try and line up the little holes. Best that we can. All right. Once it doesn't fall on my face, I'm good. Next military, so military have to fix me up. Okay, so we're just going to do each one and then we'll tighten it. Okay, gonna do the two back ones. Those might be a little tough because of the angle. All right, one more. Okay, so this is the table. We're just gonna do a review. It holds quite a bit of weight. Most pretty much monitors are 5 to 10 pounds depending on the size and everything, and are very thin, so they're kind of lightweight nowadays. This is 36 pounds. The PC will either go on top or bottom. That's 25-30 pounds depending on your PC setup, which if it's gaming, it's going to weigh more. If it's not going to weigh as much. So one thing I liked is the rules, or one thing I didn't like actually is the manual. The manual pretty much didn't show anything really, and it just showed pictures. There's no indication how you put anything in or set up. So I would give that 1 out of 5. Manual needs to be updated. It needs to give more information. So that was quite frustrating. The shipping was pretty good. They shipped it pretty well. Everything was good except the little nick right here, and so and then there's just minor hair scratches on top of the table, which really you can't see unless you look closely and you shine a light pretty much. So shipping, I would give it like a 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5. The table itself, I would give it like a 4 out of 5. Pretty plain. The wood, I don't know how well it's built. I mean, it holds a lot of weight, but that's also determined by the metal. And so, and the metal right here is, you can tell it's hollow inside. And so, this one's more, has more weight to it. But overall, it's just a great table. So I'll give it 4 out of 5. So pretty much everything I enjoyed about it is it's the size, 47 inches or 47.6, 23.6 I believe here, and 27 I think height. So it's perfect for pretty much gaming or once you sit and everything. And you can always put a monitor mount right here, which I can see me doing. And so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.